Welcome back in the kitchen one more time with Chef Ricardo cooking show, guys. This is the turkey which we are marinated 24 hours ago. Really nice and beautiful. Put it on a piece of a grease-proof paper. Now we're gonna pop it straight inside of the oven. Looking lovely and nice, as you can see. Remember, we got the video on the YouTube channel where we marinate this wonderful turkey. So guys, basically, simple. Foil it. And put it in the oven for 2 hour gas mark. 8 or 7 is good on a medium size heat, and we're gonna bake it inside of the oven for 2 hours. Enjoy the recipe and thank you so much. Enjoy yourself and Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Have a lovely Christmas dinner. Bye bye. Nice and lovely. I just took the turkey from the oven, and this is the way it looks. Lovely and nice. You can see. I got it roughly 2.5 hours inside of my oven. But basically, guys, as you can see, this is just amazing recipe right here. Looking so lovely and fantastic, guys. The turkey come out really good. As you can see, cooked to the bone. Oh my god, in heaven. Guys, this is massive. This is really beautiful and really nice. Just look at this. Beautiful. A Jamaican chef make a nice lovely turkey like this. It's amazing. So guys, as you can see, the turkey cooked to the very bone. To the very bone, guys. Look at that. Beautiful. Really nice. Moisture. Everything. Perfect. Enjoy the recipe. Thank you so much for watching the cooking show. Top best Christmas turkey right here. As you can see, the turkey is so nice, lovely and beautiful. Fantastic job, Chef Ricardo. It's just really nice. Guys, I'm gonna put it inside of a plate, inside of a big bowl, and make you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about. Look at how this looks. Lovely and nice. Enjoy the recipe. Nice and lovely. So what I'm gonna do, basically pour a little bit of the sauce on top of it like this. Just over it like this, guys. Lovely juice. This is the juice of the turkey. That lovely gravy. See, this is the best part of it, to make kind of nice, lovely gravy sauce. Looking so fantastic. Just put a little color on top of it like that. Beautiful turkey, guys. Beautiful, really nice and lovely. And so guys, just enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching the cooking show. We've got a lot more recipe like this coming out for you. Enjoy. See you next time. Bye bye.